Do you understand English but freeze when it's your turn to speak? Want to speak English more naturally every day? Then this shadowing lesson is for you. Just listen, repeat, and speak with me. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Horizon. I'm Hamza, and today we're starting our 30-day shadowing challenge. In this lesson, don't translate. Just listen, repeat, and speak. Practice every day, and you'll become more confident and fluent in English. Let's begin. Level 1, Beginner. Listen. Good morning. Repeat. Good morning. How are you? Repeat. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Repeat. I'm fine, thank you. What is your name? Repeat. What is your name? My name is Ali. Repeat. My name is Ali. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Repeat. Where are you from? I am from Pakistan. Repeat. I am from Pakistan. Have a nice day. Repeat. Have a nice day. Listen. What do you do? Repeat. What do you do? I am a student. Repeat. I am a student. I am a teacher. Repeat. I am a teacher. How old are you? Repeat. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Repeat. I am 20 years old. Where do you live? Repeat. Where do you live? I live in a small city. Repeat. I live in a small city. Listen. Do you speak English? Repeat. Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Repeat. Yes, a little. Can you help me? Repeat. Can you help me? Of course. Repeat. Of course. Thank you very much. Repeat. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Repeat. You're welcome. I don't understand. Repeat. I don't understand. Please say that again. Repeat. Please say that again. Please speak slowly. Repeat. Please speak slowly. I am learning English. Repeat. I am learning English. I practice every day. Repeat. I practice every day. English is interesting. Repeat. English is interesting. I enjoy learning new words. Repeat. I enjoy learning new words. Let's practice together. Repeat. Let's practice together. I can do it. Repeat. I can do it. Never give up. Repeat. Never give up. What time is it? Repeat. What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. Repeat. It is 7 o'clock. Listen. Are you ready? Repeat. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Repeat. Yes, I am ready. Let's get started. Repeat. Let's get started. Open your book. Repeat. Open your book. Close the door. Repeat. Close the door. Please sit down. Repeat. Please sit down. Please stand up. Repeat. Please stand up. Come with me. Repeat. Come with me. Listen. Wait a minute. Repeat. Wait a minute. Please be careful. Repeat. Please be careful. I am happy today. Repeat. I am happy today. I feel great. Repeat. I feel great. What are you doing? Repeat. What are you doing? I am studying English. Repeat. I am studying English. Do you like coffee? Repeat. Do you like coffee? Listen. Yes, I do. Repeat. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Repeat. No, I don't. What would you like? Repeat. What would you like? I would like some tea. Repeat. I would like some tea. See you tomorrow. Repeat. See you tomorrow. Take care. Repeat. Take care. Listen. Keep practicing every day. Repeat. Keep practicing every day. Level 2. Intermediate. Listen. How was your day? Repeat. How was your day? Listen. It was busy but enjoyable. Repeat. It was busy but enjoyable. What are your plans for today? Repeat. What are your plans for today? I'm going to study English for an hour. Repeat. I'm going to study English for an hour. How often do you practice speaking? Repeat. How often do you practice speaking? I practice speaking every day. Repeat. I practice speaking every day. What do you usually do after work? Repeat. What do you usually do after work? Listen. I usually read a book or watch English videos. Repeat. I usually read a book or watch English videos. Have you finished your homework? Repeat. Have you finished your homework? Yes, I finished it this morning. Repeat. Yes, I finished it this morning. What are you looking for? Repeat. What are you looking for? I'm looking for my notebook. Repeat. I'm looking for my notebook. Could you help me with this task? Repeat. Could you help me with this task? Sure, I'd be happy to help. Repeat. Sure, I'd be happy to help. What do you think about this idea? Repeat. What do you think about this idea? I think it's a great idea. Repeat. I think it's a great idea. I completely agree with you. Repeat. I completely agree with you. I'm not sure about that. Repeat. I'm not sure about that. Could you explain it again? Repeat. Could you explain it again? That's much clearer now. Repeat. That's much clearer now. Listen. I'm trying to improve my pronunciation. Repeat. I'm trying to improve my pronunciation. Practice makes progress. Repeat. Practice makes progress. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Repeat. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn. Repeat. Every mistake helps you learn. Listen. What did you do last weekend? Repeat. What did you do last weekend? I visited my grandparents. Repeat. I visited my grandparents. Did you enjoy your trip? Repeat. Did you enjoy your trip? Yes, it was wonderful. Repeat. Yes, it was wonderful. Where would you like to travel? Repeat. Where would you like to travel? I'd like to visit Japan someday. Repeat. I'd like to visit Japan someday. How long have you been learning English? Repeat. How long have you been learning English? I've been learning English for 2 years. Repeat. I've been learning English for 2 years. What helps you learn faster? Repeat. What helps you learn faster? Daily practice helps me improve. Repeat. Daily practice helps me improve. Can you recommend a good movie? Repeat. Can you recommend a good movie? Listen. Yes, I know a great one. Repeat. Yes, I know a great one. What time does the meeting start? Repeat. What time does the meeting start? It starts at 3 o'clock. Repeat. It starts at 3 o'clock. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Repeat. I'm looking forward to the weekend. It's getting better every day. Repeat. It's getting better every day. I need a little more practice. Repeat. I need a little more practice. Could you repeat the question? Repeat. Could you repeat the question? I'm almost ready. Repeat. I'm almost ready. Let's keep practicing together. Repeat. Let's keep practicing together. You're doing a great job. Repeat. You're doing a great job. Confidence comes with practice. Repeat. Confidence comes with practice. Keep speaking English every day. Repeat. Keep speaking English every day. Next, we'll move to Level 3, Advanced English Conversations. Level 3, Advanced. Listen. What inspires you to keep learning English? Repeat. What inspires you to keep learning English? I want to communicate with people from around the world. Repeat. I want to communicate with people from around the world. How do you stay motivated? Repeat. How do you stay motivated? Listen. I remind myself of my long-term goals. Repeat. I remind myself of my long-term goals. What is the biggest challenge you face? Repeat. What is the biggest challenge you face? Sometimes I hesitate because I'm afraid of making mistakes. Repeat. Sometimes I hesitate because I'm afraid of making mistakes. The best way to improve is to speak without fear. Repeat. The best way to improve is to speak without fear. Every conversation is a learning opportunity. Repeat. Every conversation is a learning opportunity. Fluency is built through consistent practice. Repeat. Fluency is built through consistent practice. Success doesn't happen overnight. Repeat. Success doesn't happen overnight. Small improvements lead to big results. Repeat. Small improvements lead to big results. Learning a language requires patience and persistence. Repeat. Learning a language requires patience and persistence. Don't compare yourself with others. Repeat. Don't compare yourself with others. Listen. Compare yourself with who you were yesterday. Repeat. Compare yourself with who you were yesterday. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Repeat. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Repeat. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Keep challenging yourself every day. Repeat. Keep challenging yourself every day. Believe in your progress. Repeat. Believe in your progress. Listen. Your future self will thank you for today's practice. Repeat. Your future self will thank you for today's practice. Never stop learning. Repeat. Never stop learning. Great job! You completed today's shadowing practice. Practice this lesson again tomorrow to improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to English Horizon, and share it with your friends. See you in the next shadowing practice. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking English.